guys, I have this vintage Hewlett Packard Designer 5875. It's a vintage one. And I'm going to show you what's inside of it. But first, I am going to do... Make sure the camera's not facing me. Okay. Is going to print out a test page. And second of all, this is not a printer I have. Let's power it up. Alright, let's hit print. It's only for professionals only. Don't do it when you're prying this thing apart. And sometimes the printer will be stubby, and it's not easy. I'm going to show you what's inside the mechanism. So I got this test page printed. And I forgot to mention, this has those floppy disks. And before you do this, do not attempt to do this. It's for professionals. But I'm the professional, so you can't do it. So, let me take apart the screen. Here's the screen itself. It's just a liquid crystal display. And we're going to take apart this mechanism. It's coming off. And then let's just go ahead and pry it apart. It's not going to come off. I think this is durable. This is like some sort of I don't know. This is like more integration than this personal computer printer. Okay. I think that did its job. I want to see what's inside. So, according to here, I found some ink cartridges. These are black. This is a black one. This is a black ink cartridge. And I don't like this printer at all. Here's the color. Never mind. And how's it jamming? Because it's grinding this way. And the opposite way, this is not going to print. I'm going to test it out for you. Hopefully it will not get short when I first take it apart. Let me just put it this way. And I'm going to print it out, the test page, while it's apart. And don't do this. Don't take it apart at all. Okay, and watch this. It's just grinding. That way, it's tearing the paper apart. Okay, see that? It's just, it did chip the paper just a little bit. And second of all, this is a grinding machine. I don't know what's wrong with it. Let's take it apart some more. inside there's some paper wheel. The paper wheel is just some sort of cog, and it grinds the paper, and it almost like mess up the paper. And there's like some sort of port right there that prevents it for getting into a paper jam. And there's like a lot of rails in there. And second of all, there is some sort of conveyor that prints it out. And hang on a second. Is it that short in it? Oh my god. I know it. I saw some smoke coming out. Let's see if I can take it apart some more. Hopefully I don't caught the printer on fire. Oh my god. Oh my god. There's smoke coming out of the printer. This is I'm busy right now. So, I saw smoke coming out of the printer. And this printer came maybe in the 1970s. It's just the world's first thing I ever heard. Let's see, I can... And I think this is it. And this is me taking apart this printer, and that's it. And do not try this. It's for the professionals.